Owners of some very popular cars are having transmission trouble just after their warranty expires.
Hundreds of owners of some very popular cars are complaining that their transmissions are failing.
The unthinkable has become undeniable in automotive reliability. Despite years of promises, massive class action settlements, and supposed engineering improvements, Nissan continues inflicting their catastrophically flawed CVT transmissions on unsuspecting buyers in 2025 models, creating systematic patterns of premature failures that even warranty extensions cannot fix.
It's just plagued Nissan with problems after problems, especially on the 4-cylinder models.
While competitors abandon CVT technology or perfect reliable alternatives, Nissan doubles down on the same fundamental design that has triggered over $277 million in settled lawsuits and destroyed the financial stability of hundreds of thousands of owners. Consumer feedback from platforms like Reddit, CarComplaints, and Nissan Owner Forum shows that failure rates remain so consistent that multiple federal courts have certified nationwide class action settlements acknowledging systematic defects.
So no, Nissan, you need to address this, and you need to go ahead and figure out if this is an issue, get it fixed.
This CVT disaster escalates beyond typical automotive problems, representing the most expensive transmission failure epidemic in modern automotive history, with repair costs regularly exceeding vehicle values and creating financial catastrophes for families who trusted Nissan's reliability claims. According to documented class action settlements finalized as recently as July 2025, Nissan has been forced to extend warranties to 84 months or 84,000 miles specifically because their CVT transmissions cannot reliably reach 100,000 miles without catastrophic failure. In today's video, here's exactly what you'll witness: the specific mechanical failures that make CVT replacement inevitable, the documented patterns showing 2025 models exhibit identical problems to recalled generations, and the financial devastation awaiting buyers who ignore the overwhelming evidence of systematic engineering defects. This represents far more than isolated reliability problems, but a calculated corporate decision to continue selling transmissions that Nissan's own warranty extensions acknowledge cannot perform their basic function. Now, let's examine the brutal documented evidence proving why Nissan's CVT death sentence makes their 2025 models automotive financial suicide. The fundamental engineering disaster. Nissan's continuously variable transmission represents the most systematically flawed automotive component in modern history, with engineering limitations that make premature failure mathematically inevitable. The fundamental problem lies in the CVT's core design, which has a metal belt riding on metal pulleys with only fluid in between, creating a system where when the fluid wears out, metal meets metal and the transmission is cooked. According to documented technical analysis from certified Nissan technicians, this design flaw becomes catastrophic because Nissan's maintenance recommendations proved dangerously incorrect. The company originally claimed their CVT fluid was lifetime, which directly contributed to premature failures affecting popular models like the Altima, Sentra, and Rogue. Early generations from 2007 to 2014 have documented failure rates often occurring before reaching 100,000 miles. Common complaints included shuddering during acceleration.
We're getting a severe vibration in the vehicle.
Delayed throttle response.
Having some problems actually with hesitation.
Overheating.
This is the main problem of these CVT transmissions.
And complete transmission failure.
CVT failure. We got 23,402 miles. Check engine light is on.
These problems became so prevalent that they led to multiple class action lawsuits forcing Nissan to extend warranties to 10 years or 120,000 miles. The engineering reality remains unchanged in 2025 models. CVTs require fluid changes every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, using expensive genuine Nissan NS3 fluid costing $200 to $300 per service. When these transmissions fail, they require complete replacement rather than repair, with documented costs ranging from $3,000 to $7,000. Class action settlement evidence proves systematic defects. The legal evidence represents the most damning documentation of systematic engineering failure in automotive history. The most recent settlement, finalized on July 21st, 2025, covers 2015 to 2018 Nissan Murano and 2016 to 2018 Nissan Maxima vehicles, providing warranty extensions to 84 months or 84,000 miles and reimbursement up to $5,000 for out-of-pocket repairs. According to documented court records, approximately 520,000 Nissan vehicles are included in this settlement alone, indicating the massive scale of affected vehicles. A separate class action settlement covers 2014 to 2018 Nissan Rogue, 2015 to 2018 Nissan Pathfinder, and 2015 to 2018 Infiniti QX60 vehicles, with final court approval entered on March 23, 2022. Additional settlements cover 2017 to 2018 Nissan Altima and 2018 to 2019 Nissan Sentra, Versa, and Versa Note vehicles. The consistent pattern across multiple model years demonstrates that CVT problems represent systematic engineering defects rather than isolated manufacturing variations. The financial scope totals over $277 million, representing one of the largest automotive transmission settlements in legal history. These settlements establish legal precedent that Nissan's CVT transmissions suffer from systematic defects that make premature failure predictable rather than unusual. 2025 models continue the disaster. Despite claims of engineering improvements, Consumer Reports predicts the 2025 Altima will have about average reliability when compared to the average new car, a damning assessment for transmission technology that should exceed industry standards. Independent mechanics report they perform between 3 to 5 four-cylinder CVT replacements per week at Nissan dealerships, indicating failure rates remain problematic. The 2025 Nissan lineup continues using CVT transmissions across major models, including the Altima, Sentra, Rogue, and Murano, marketed as Xtronic transmissions. While some owners report smoother operation in recent models, others still encounter software quirks and transmission surges, suggesting that improvements represent cosmetic changes rather than fundamental engineering solutions. According to Automotive Analysis, failure rates remain higher than conventional automatic transmissions, and many independent mechanics continue advising customers about CVT-specific maintenance requirements and potential catastrophic costs. The warranty extensions to 84 months acknowledge these transmissions cannot perform reliably within normal coverage periods. The financial devastation. The economic impact extends far beyond repair costs, creating comprehensive financial disasters affecting every aspect of ownership. When CVTs fail, complete replacement costs range from $3,000 to $7,000, often approaching or exceeding vehicle values for older models. According to market analysis, Nissan vehicles equipped with CVTs show 15 to 20% lower resale value compared to competitors, reflecting widespread awareness of reliability problems. This depreciation penalty affects all owners regardless of their specific transmission's performance, representing thousands of dollars in lost equity. The timing creates maximum financial impact, with many failures occurring between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, when vehicles retain substantial loan balances but exit warranty coverage. Extended warranty providers either exclude CVT coverage entirely or charge premium rates, demonstrating industry recognition of systematic problems. Maintenance costs required for CVT longevity add ongoing expenses that conventional automatics don't require. Proper fluid changes every 30,000 miles using genuine Nissan NS3 fluid represent significantly higher costs than conventional transmissions operating reliably with 60,000 to 100,000 mile service intervals. The documented evidence proves conclusively that Nissan's 2025 models continue using fundamentally flawed CVT technology that has generated hundreds of millions in settlements and destroyed countless families' financial security. Consumer Reports' assessment of about average reliability represents systematic failure of engineering priorities that prioritize profit margins over customer protection. For potential buyers, the evidence demands complete avoidance of CVT-equipped Nissan vehicles until fundamental engineering improvements rather than marketing promises. Even Nissan's extended warranty coverage acknowledges these transmissions cannot reliably perform basic functions within normal service expectations. Have you experienced CVT transmission problems with your Nissan, or are you considering purchasing a 2025 model despite documented systematic failures? The legal settlements prove CVT problems affect hundreds of thousands rather than isolated cases. Share your experiences below, particularly transmission replacement costs, warranty claims, or resale impacts. Your real-world data helps others understand the true financial risks of ignoring overwhelming evidence against Nissan's CVT technology. For honest automotive content exposing documented engineering failures and protecting your financial investment, subscribe for evidence-based analysis prioritizing your economic security over corporate marketing campaigns.